Hi, my name is Lucas. I'm from the south of the beautiful Poland, and this is my turn now.
The problem with me is, when I'm reaching the horizon, I instantly wonder what's beyond it. I feel the heat in my legs, have feelings for the airports, love flying, and I'm passionately browsing through my passport several times a week, sniffing the stamps. Is traveling already my passion?
So in my free time, if I have it, I do this.
I'm a drone pilot, content creator, self-made filmmaker. My family and friends enjoy watching my creations and they support me in searching for new inspirations. They would definitely enjoy this life-changing, my own travel series, and I would be ecstatic to be able to bring it to them. I allow myself to think about me as a perfect match for this adventure due to great empathy that I have for people.
That was awesome!
Okay, so I'm early at work. They told me to come early. I don't know what's going on. Let's see.
Thank you guys!
You had to take him on the tour. He's suffocating in the office, really.
My name is Lucas, and I will be delighted to be a part of it with any one of you. To Radar, let's do this.
Would it be a problem to experience the world with a complete stranger? Well, if we wouldn't meet strangers, we would be living very lonely, wouldn't we?